it comes to setting the high ticket deal, the third thing I want to figure out is their goals. Okay. So, Lyndon, tell me,
Yes,
man,
sir.
why do you think? So, not why do you think? So, tell me, what is the goal, man? What are you looking to get out of this program, this mentorship, this partnership, this everything?
To achieve the potential that I know I've got.
Well, that's kind of broad. That's not fair. Okay, tough ass motherfucker. So, okay, and what is that potential?
That potential is just basically like time and location freedom, being able to provide for my family and loved ones, and obviously my future wife and children.
Okay, I feel like you could do that anywhere, right?
I feel
Why do you think that this solves that problem? Why do you think that helps that goal?
because I've bought into like memberships before, and I felt like I never really had the support and the backing. So I feel like I just need a little push sometimes.
Okay. So right now, what's your financial goal? Now you see how he's not answering? He didn't give me like a good, so I want to get specific. What's your financial goal? Now I'm just gonna ask you flat out. What's your financial goal, Lyndon? What are you trying to make every month in the next 12 months, 6 to 12 months?
In the next 6 to 12 months, anything above say 12,
12,000 or 1,200?
12,000.
I have to make sure. I don't know how much I was hoping you say 12 million. I just don't know how big you're thinking, right? Okay, so let me ask you, why do you want to make 12,000 a month? What does that number mean to you? Why is that important?
That number means that I can live a fairly comfortable life with money left over to invest, and then send, let's say, 2 to 3 thousand to my mum every single month as well.
Okay. When you say live comfortable, like, are you trying to make that much money and live your same lifestyle? Or is the
Uh,
goal to increase your lifestyle and really get to a place that you've never been?
no, to be fair, I just need to live the same lifestyle.
Okay. Well, then how much are you making now?
Round about close to half of that.
Half of that? So six?
Mhm.
Okay, cool. Have you ever made that much money in a month before?
Once, but it was not a fluke, but it wouldn't have happened again unless the stars align, shall we say.
Okay. So let me ask you this, man. If you were making 15K a month for 12 months in a row, what would you want to do on that 13th month? What would be the goal then?
Keep on scaling. I mean, the sky's the limit. If I know I can do it once, then
Most people don't have a goal past some fake ass monetary goal. And I need you guys to understand that. Everyone's going to give you a bullshit answer that's a number and some reason on why they want to make that number, whatever it is. But the truth of the fucking matter is, if I offer them $50,000 a month, do you think they would take it? Yes.
yeah.
So is 12 really his number? No. But when I got to the second layer, what's his real goal? You don't have one. Now, what happens if they don't have one? It's so much easier because all you have to do is give them your vision. What happens then is people start to create a vision within your vision. Because everyone in this world, they lack vision. And they hang on to people with vision. Why do you think leaders, one of the main qualities is they need to have vision? Okay? So